Alright, today we're looking at a 2008 Honda Pilot EXL, 75,000 miles on it, dark cherry pearl in color. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax, it's a local trade. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it is equipped with the roof rails and the sunroof. Driver's side of the Pilot's in good shape. Alright, everything back here looks good. Make our way down the passenger side. Just a little nick right here on the door. Alright, and then right here on the door handle as well. Okay, I just want to point that out to you. And the only other thing I saw was right here on the front bumper. Alright, just a little bit of fading right there in the paint. And then right here on the hood, just a small little spot right here on the hood. But other than that, everything's in fantastic condition. It's a 2008, 75,000 miles on it. Alright, it's a local trade, clean Carfax. It's actually in really good shape. Got the dark gray, light gray door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Alright, it does have gray leather seats. Driver's seat's in good shape. It is a power driver's seat. Alright, got the center console here. Got the power outlet in there. Okay, and some storage. Got your cup holders here. Some more storage there. Pan out just a little bit, give you a shot of the sunroof here. Alright, passenger seat leather looks good. No problems at all here. Alright, does have heated seats. Got your climate control area here. Okay, move on up here to the AM, FM, CD6. Okay, got a 6-disc compact disc changer. Okay, leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your steering wheel audio controls here. Got your sunroof control over here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 75,594 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and give you another shot over here at the radio. Okay, make our way down here to the climate control area. AC's blowing nice and cold already, no problems there. Let's go ahead and step out. We'll take a look at the back seat. Go ahead and give you one shot of this right here. It does have the 2 keyless entry key fobs. Okay, let's go ahead and step out. We'll take a look in the second row seats here. It is a 3rd row seat Pilot. Okay, second row leather's in good shape. No problems at all. The leather here. Got the center armrest that comes down. Got the cup holders. Okay, got your power outlet here. Got your rear air, rear heat. Okay, go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. And let me go ahead and fold this seat down here. Go ahead and lift this 3rd row up. Alright. And I can see on this one just a small indentation right here from the seat belt. Okay, that's just from laying on the seat belt. It's not a rip or tear or anything like that. Go ahead and open the back hatch here. Alright, now as you can see, with the seat down, it allows a lot more space back here. When you got the 3rd row up, alright, it's going to cut into that space a little. Got your power outlet over here. Okay. Now let me go ahead and get this other seat. Let's see, I can probably reach it from here. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and bring that up. Let me give you a look at that 3rd row, okay? Everything else except that little indentation right there, everything is in fantastic shape. No rips, no tears. Alright, now as you can see with the 3rd row up, it will cut into that storage, but you do have 3 rows of seats. Okay, and then you can easily just lift this handle and push the seats right back down, and you can see how much it opens it up back here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 16-inch alloys. Okay, tires are still in great shape, plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2008 Honda Pilot EXL, 75,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a local trade. Okay, things in great condition. Just a few little spots on it with the paint, but that's to be expected with an 08 with 75,000 miles. Alright, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.